start with the basic accounting equation. Just cold hard facts, no need for persuasion. Assets equals liabilities plus the one and only stockholders' equity. Remember, A equals L plus E. See, accounting's not hard, it's really pretty easy. First, one of the financial statements. So when you're CFO, you'll know all the arrangements. Beginning with the balance sheet, home of the A equals L plus E. Assets are arranged by liquidity. Current comes first with the long term. Next you see current includes cash and receivables. In 1 year's time, the cash is retrievable. Long term, also known as fixed, land, buildings, and office equipment. Relax, no need to sweat. Add current and fixed and you just found the total assets. Add current and fixed and you just found the total assets. Hold up. Moving to the other side of our favorite two lines known as the equal sign. Liabilities, in order of when each comes due. Current's number 1, long term's 2. Current includes payables, gotta pay within a year with assets available. Long term, another kind of debt, but pay within a year? No, it's not due yet. Lastly, we're talking owner's equity. With our favorite equation, this is the E, made of 2 little things. First, common stock, then retained earnings. Now add all this you see, you get total liabilities and stockholders' equity. There you have it. That's the balance sheet. Just remember A equals L plus E. Just remember A equals L plus E. We hope you've had fun, enjoyed the show. We'd like to thank you for watching the Viral Flow. If you liked what you saw, no gimmicks, no bribe, please comment, like, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Please comment, like, and share.